Good afternoon, sir. This is Sharan Tej from 8th class from Krishna Talent School, Ramannapet. My theme is a stem of Vikasine Atmanirbhar Bharat and my sub-theme is green energy. Title of my project is Biofuel from Algae. I made this biofuel from algae. Quite interesting, right? See, this is algae. I made this algae into this biofuel. I will tell you with step by step. First, let me introduce about my project. Biodiesel is a renewable resource which we make from algae. Algae is a fast-growing living organism which can even grow in desert kind of areas. The reason of taking this project, nowadays Delhi is filled with smoke everywhere. If we see our country is filled with smoke mostly, to reduce that I'm using algae to make biofuel. Algae we find algae in everywhere, even desert kind of areas. First, I will explain step by step. First, collecting of algae. First, I collected algae from various ponds, rivers, and then I kept it under the sunlight to make a process called photosynthesis. After that, I transferred it to
collecting. You have kept it in water only, or else you kept outside?
In water, sir.
Water, right.
After that, I separated water and I kept it in another box and closed it and kept it under sunlight to dry. Here you can see the dried algae. Then I used this mortar and pestle to grind it. See here, I grind algae like this. And after that, the oil and the algae, I separated it both with filter paper. Here you can see the oil from algae which I collected. And I transferred it into another conical flask with just delivery tube. In this conical flask, you can see I added this sodium hydroxide and ethanol chemicals. After adding these chemicals, I left it for fermentation for few days. After that, I separated both the waste and the biofuel.
Fermentation process. Did you use any microorganism like yeast or something?
No, the algae already contains cholera and Bifidobacterium microalgae. Yes, sir, already there. So we can make biofuel directly. After that, I rinsed the waste and biofuel with a process called transesterification. This process is important in making biofuel. After that, I used this transesterification process, I made this biofuel. Here you can see clearly the biofuel which I made from algae. This biofuel we can use for vehicles. We will get the same mileage as we will get from petrol and diesel. This thing, if we want to make the cytoplankton releases petrol. When the cytoplankton is died, it will go under the thick, deep sea water, and the stones will close upon it. After that, it will take some fermentation process to make it as crude oil. To make petroleum products, we need to add some chemicals to crude oil to make it petrol and other diesel. So instead of adding them and making our air polluted, I use algae and less cost-efficient chemicals like ethanol and sodium hydroxide. After this process, we can also rinse both ethanol and sodium hydroxide. With this process,
can you explain the chart one step by step?
Yes. This is extraction of biofuel from algae. Here in this chart you can see growing of algae. First I growed algae as I said before. Then I dried it under sunlight. After that I grinded it with mortar and pestle. And after that extraction of oil from algae. This is algae which the oil will come up. I extracted this. After that I left it for fermentation with sodium hydroxide and ethanol. After that extraction of fuel through a process called transesterification. Next is biodiesel. After more refination we can use it for vehicles. My hobby is researching about chemicals.
Very good.
In my future I want to make biofuel work for both for metro and autos and cars to reduce pollution.